We all know that silk clothes is made from silk and it comes from silkworm. But have you seen how this silk is made? This strange process called sericulture was first discovered in China 5,000 years ago. It starts from the tiny eggs of silkworms. The much-needed food is placed on top of these eggs, which are arranged on special sheets. Within a few days these eggs hatch into tiny larvae. They are also fed 3 times a day. They eat it and grow very fast. Cultivating these silkworms is a matter of extreme caution. Therefore, they are maintained very professionally with the help of automatic machines until they grow up. After raising them like this for about a week, they are transferred to bigger cages. A plastic sheet is spread and these silkworms are placed on top of it. A net is placed over it to keep them inside the sheet. Mulberry leaves are said to be the most important food for adult caterpillars. Such plants are planted in acres of land just to provide them. These mulberry leaves are cut into small pieces by a machine and fed to them. So these leaves are given 4 times a day. And it will settle very quickly. After about 4 to 5 days in this manner, the silkworms shed their skin and begin to enlarge again. There is no need to cut the leaves of the mulberry plant into small pieces when it gets this big. It can also give with branches. It will eat whatever it can eat from it. By about 15 to 20 days, the speed of eating like this will begin to slow down. This is a sign that the worms are ready to make a cocoon. To prepare for it, they are removed from the plant stems and stored elsewhere. From this group the healthy ones will be isolated. These silkworms are then lifted onto boards with a honeycomb structure made of wood. After all these are adjusted so that they do not go down, these boards are hung on specially prepared wires. It is very important to maintain the temperature of the rooms where they are kept at exactly 30 to 32 degrees Celsius. When this is the case, a thread will slowly start coming out of the silkworms. Worms sit on any corner of the boards and make a nest out of this yarn. It takes about 48 hours to complete a cocoon like this, which is made with only one continuous thread. If a single cocoon thread is stretched, it will be about 1 kilometer long. Thousands of cocoons are ready in such 4 to 5 days. Now take it all apart. For that, each board is taken and passed through a special machine and cocoons are collected. All these are added together and separated according to their quality. From there all these are bagged and transported to the factory where the silk is processed. Where there, all these will be deposited into a chamber. From this, they are transported to the next station through a conveyor belt. There, too, everything is checked for quality and the substandard ones are removed. Now the cocoons are soaked in hot water to make them soft. It also helps to separate the threads quickly without sticking to each other. This step is very important as it has to be separated from the cocoon as a continuous thread. If there are small broken threads, they are removed from this. So it reaches the bottom in an automatic reeling machine lying in hot water. The workers themselves would gather several cocoons together and roll them onto a roller. As it rotates, the thick yarn also comes around it. Then the yarn is cut to the desired length from these rollers. After dyeing these threads in different colors, then only they are used to make clothes. According to the creativity of the tailor, we get many varieties of silk clothes. How was this video of silk making? Comment your views below. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.